everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and we have all our ingredients ready. We're gonna start with the red chili tamales. Over here I have my red chili prepared. It's all ready to go. So this is what the end product looks like after you. We have the shredded roast here with the pureed red chilies with my seasonings, which were garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, cumin, and oregano. And I just add it and just taste, you know, keep adding and taste it, adding and taste it. So, you know, make it to your taste, you know, how you like it. So the meat's all ready. I'm also going to prepare some dulce tamales, which are sweet tamales. And with sweet tamales, you use a masa that has been sweetened with sugar and has cream corn, I think, in it. So for the filling for this one, we're going to use cream corn, sweet cream corn, and I'm going to balance that with some green chili and a little bit of cheese. So that is what this is for. Alright, so let's get started. So I always get a towel to start putting my tamales together on, because it gets kind of messy and this will help with that mess. So we'll need a spoon, pretty big soup size spoon. We got our husks already softened, so we're just going to drain the water. Draining the water, and now I'm going to start assembling. But before I do this, we got to start our water boiling to get ready for the cooking process. So this is a tamale pot here. This is what we're going to cook them in. And you can get these for like $10 at Food City, $10, $15. This is what the inside looks like. It's pretty much a giant steamer. You fill up the water all the way to that line, and then put this on top, and then we're going to stack the tamales. So I'm going to go ahead and get the water going before we start assembling.